Guys, and we have this other new toy, and this is magnet dress up, and here it is.
Here it is.
And it's by Melissa and Dog.
Yeah, a dog.
Here it is.
Here it is.
Here it is. Fun. So, time to open it. So, here we have two girls over here. One for me and one for Kanae. And we are going to dress them up. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, we have this girl. And today we are going to dress her up. Okay. Sis, hurry up. Hurry up, sis. Okay. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry, hurry, hurry up. Oh no. Okay, just have this purse. Okay. I'll get this in here. This one's not a purse. Hurry up, sis. We're late for school. Hurry up. Hurry up. Sis, are you ready for school?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Alright.
Okay, let's learn.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time to go home, sis.
Okay.
Okay, let's take off our clothes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, then we are going to choose something else. Okay, now we are going to get another outfit for this doll. Okay, I'm going to choose a dress. Ooh. Whoopsie!
Oh, that's it.
So, here's the dress. Let's put it on.
Here's the dress. Just like this.
It looks beautiful, right? I'm going to choose some high heels now. Ooh, these high heels look pretty.
Oh, she don't like how to.
She does. Oh, look, here's a pink.
Oh, that's my favorite color.
I know. Last thing.
She done. She done.
Okay,
She done.
here's the shoes.
Here's the dress. And here's the pink.
And
That's
here
my favorite color.
is this purse.
And here's my favorite color. Look, my favorite color is pink. And I got this pink jacket for me. And I got the toy and the waffle and the cookie.
Okay, now let's play.
Okay, good.
Whoopsies.
Let's play hide and seek.
No.
See it. See it.
Sis, it's time to go to the party.
Yeah, we're going. We're going.
Get ready.
Where are we going?
We're going to a birthday party.
For me?
Yup, because it's your birthday.
She loves this. She loves this.
Don't worry, here's another pair of shoes.
No, I don't like it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I got
Time to go to a party.
I got
It's going to be fantastic,
I got
sis.
the pink. I
Sis, it's time to go to a party. Come on. Happy birthday, sis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ha cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear sister. Happy birthday, sister. Blow the candle. Yay! Time to eat the cake. Let's cut the cake. Cut. Oh! Here. Hurry up, sis. Here's the cake. 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 Hey, why did you eat everyone's cake? Ow. But good thing it's a big cake, everyone. Cut. Okay. Give it.
For me?
No, it's for somebody else. Let's go home and change our clothes. And these are here. Okay. Now we are going to dress her up in another thing. So this time I'm going to do some pants. Whoa. Blue. Here's the tights.
Elsa, I look tired. Elsa.
That's not the way you put everything on.
Got it.
Okay. And here's the shirt. Here's that. When we get that, I'm going to choose this sneaker. Here's the sneakers. Kanae, show it. Show it, Kanae. Okay, let's play. Let's play. Kanae, show it. Okay, sis, time to get ready. You're being too slow. Stop being a slow folk. Stop being a slow folk. And sis, we need to work out. We need a workout, so you need pants.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm going. dirty. Come on, let's go jogging. Take the pants. Take the pants on.
No, I don't like it.
Then your dress is going to break. Here, get some pants on.
No, I don't like
Okay. Get the pants on. Get some shoes. Different shoes.
Pink.
Here. Just for jogging.
I like pink.
Hey, stop it. Great. Okay. Here's, I think this one is the third one. Like the third dot. Okay. Here is the third clothing. Take it off time. Chupa chup. Now what else? Oh, short tan. Let's make everything matching. Come on, sis. Let's go to our school. Okay, here's the shirt. Here's the pants. Okay, let's get the shoes. Let's get some shoes on. Here's the shoes. Just kidding. Okay, here is the real shoes that I'm going to put on. Come on, sis. Come on, sis. Let's go to high school. Hey, sis. Let's go to high school.
Okay.
Get ready. You don't want to get ready like that. Bye, Mom. Hold on. I forgot my backpack, Mom.
Okay.
Here's the backpack. Love you, Mom. Kiss. Bye, Mom. Whoa.
I forgot to dress up.
I'm back, Mom. Pretend you had a day off.
I get a day off.
Ugh. Okay, I know that.
Oh no!
Okay,
no,
so
no, no,
here is the
no.
fourth. Here is the fourth thing. Okay, now let's get something else. Woo. Tweet. Here it is. Okay. I think we tried all the things. I think we tried all the things, guys. Come on. like that video because we are going to close this. Okay, we're done with the toys. So we hope you like this video, and comment section down below if you like this video. And give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and smile